Live today. I am doing a double live. I'm on here on Facebook with you guys, and I'm doing an Instagram live, which I've never done before. So we'll see how it works with both happening at the same time. So hello everybody, my name is Anna. For those of you who aren't familiar with me, I am a manifesting coach. Hi Livy, good to see you. I'm a manifesting coach. I help people overcome their blocks to living the abundant life that they deserve and that they are worthy of. And I help people, or I teach people about their worthiness. Now, I wanted to share something with you today. I'm pretty sure I've shared it before, but I can't remember when or which platform, because I share on a few different platforms. But I created a video about, when did I do it? I think 2013, November 2013, and it had over 250,000 views. And it blew my mind because it just started building and building, and then I created a program to go with it. So then I was all of a sudden building this big list, because I had created this video which told me that there was a huge need for this information. So Libby, she's gorgeous. So what I did was, because I believe in the law of attraction, I work with energy, I love mindset and personal development, and I want to crack the code for living an abundant life. I want to crack the code for creating the reality that I want to create for myself, because I see so many people suffering. So many people are living in lack. So many people are living without what they desire. Look at all, thanks for the hearts, Libby, that's gorgeous. So many people are not living their full potential. We're living in a lack perspective, a lack consciousness, without really understanding the tools or the how to live the life that we want. And it is our birthright to be abundant. It is our birthright to live our desires. We come into this time, this physical time-space reality, with dreams and desires. And most of the time we dismiss them, we poo-poo them, we just don't believe that we can achieve them and have them. So with all of the work that I'd been doing, I thought I would try something to see how it goes, and I'll share that with you right now. So if you're feeling, you can probably see up the top there, if you're not feeling abundant, there's a reason why you're not feeling abundant. And if you don't have that cash flow or that money streaming in, the abundance is, if it's not streaming in to you, then I had made a decision. This was back in 2013, I made a decision to create my own abundance. So I made this video about putting cash in your wallet. And I have been carrying this around for 2013 is how many years is that now? 2019, 6 years. So 6 years I've been carrying this around. Now, I printed my own dollars left and front. And I remember when I had like a 15-minute spot to do a bit of mindset training in Perth at one of our company's events back then, and I showed them this. So, I attribute this to my success. I attribute this to my financial abundance. I attribute this to the happiness and everything that's happening for my life at the moment. So, but how does this work? Okay, so you might say, but it's fake. Well, okay, it's fake, but it's the mind does not know the difference between real or imagined. If you're carrying $1,000 in your wallet, and this is the video that had the 250,000 views. So if you're carrying this in your wallet, your first response when you open your wallet every time you go to use it is, I am abundant, I have this money. And it's about creating the flow and the mindset of having the money. So it's double-sided. You've got to make it look as realistic as you possibly can. And ever since I've done this, my life completely changed. I'm not kidding, seriously. What happened? What's happened in my life? I've won free trips around the world, and I was top 30 in this network marketing company that I was in within 13 months. We bought a dream block. We're going to be building a dream house on there, a beautiful designer house with a pool in it. Last year we traveled to where do we travel? We travel to Hawaii and to Europe at the same time. We're packing our bags because we're going to Japan next month. I received a 6-figure check. I got a 30% pay rise, 30% pay rise in my current contract role that I'm in at the moment. Who gets a 30% pay rise? Things are shifting, things are happening for me, and it's all because I've done this. Now, the video that I had posted on YouTube, somebody must have flagged it or something, and so YouTube took it down. So unfortunately, it would have had 1 million views by now. But anyway, I didn't know how to dispute it, so that video's gone. But the principle of what I've done, so I've reposted that same video, and so it's sort of moving slowly. It's going to take some time to pick up momentum. But if you're not feeling abundant, you've got to understand that the universe is here to serve you. You are one, you are connected with everything. And this is where people, I think, have the downfall. We spend our time, those beautiful hearts, thanks guys. We spend our time in lack belief and in lack thinking. It's our job. If you want change on the outside world, we've got to create it on the inside. And this is just one of the tools that I use and I still carry around in my wallet because it reminds me of the abundance that is out there for us. It reminds me of the abundance that is our birthright. So do that, whichever country you're in. So write down, I'd love to see in the comments, let me know where you're tuning in from. If it's live, write live. If it's a replay, write replay. Thanks for all the hearts, Bernice, it's gorgeous. If you're watching the replay, write replay. But this is really valuable. This is all about you starting to shift your mindset. When you shift your mindset, you shift your reality. So that's what I do with my coaching clients. I help them to release their limiting blocks because most of the time we don't even understand, we don't even know what our blocks are. We go through life with this lack mentality, pushing things away in resistance to what is. And when we're in resistance to what is, then we experience more of that energy. So whichever energy you're stepping into, whichever energy you possess, that's the energy that you're going to attract more of. So be conscious of your energy, be conscious of your thoughts. How are you thinking? How are you feeling in any given moment? Because you can shift your reality by shifting your energy. And I'll be doing a lot more videos on how to do that. So I also promised, I did a video yesterday and I promised I would answer some questions. So if you guys have got questions and you'd like them answered in a video, please write your questions down in the comment section, and I will hopefully be able to answer those questions for you. So yesterday's video, I have got 3 questions I'm going to share. I'll answer those right now. So a lady was, I won't say whose names they are. I'll just say a lady says she's been visualizing results, but nothing has happened yet. So okay, so what happens when you visualize and it's not showing up? It means that there's some block there. When you visualize, now visualizing is a really important tool and technique. The way we visualize, and I can do a whole different video on that, but visualization is about stepping into the complete and whole energy of that thing that you desire. In other words, it's about seeing it as though it's already happened. It's not about visualizing it from an external perspective and you're looking from a third person perspective, looking out there to see that thing that you're wanting to create. The visualization has to be in your mind's eye as though you've stepped into that reality right now. How is it going to feel? Who's going to be saying what around you? What are you going to be hearing? It's got to be as vivid as possible. And visualization is not just about visualizing it once. It's about stepping into the energy of that consistently, daily. So it's like going to the gym. We don't go to the gym once and then say, well, where's my body? 3 weeks later, why I don't have the body I want? I went to the gym. It's about consistency. It's about maintaining the energy and the belief. But, some of our blocks are so deeply embedded that we're not even aware of them. So It's, it's a practice. There's lots of information out there. Study it. If you want to become a master of your reality, you need to study reality. You need to study visualization, energy, and all of those things. So I hope that helped. Another question was, can one manifest more than one thing at a time? Well, that's kind of like saying, well, if it rains, can nature water more plants than one plant at a time? Yes, there is no limit to an abundance. So that's like saying, can I take 1 cup out of the ocean, or can I take 2 cups out of the ocean? The universe is an abundant supply. It's a never-ending abundant supply of all of your desires. They're all just waiting for you to call them in. You can call them all in at the same time. It's about stepping into that energy and that belief of being able to receive them all at one time. Absolutely, you can have anything you want as much as you want. Okay, so it's not just about, can I manifest one thing at a time? You can manifest a million things at a time. Well, not a million. You manifest as much as your belief, as much as your container or your belief bucket is. That's what you'll be able to manifest. So definitely, you can always manifest more than one thing at a time. Another question is, can I do this on my own, or can I also use the help of crystals and meditation? Okay, so I love crystals. Look, I've got a nice big rose quartz here. That's on my desk, and then I also have this gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous amethyst. It's on my desk as well. But I don't rely on external sources for my manifestation abilities. Energy all comes from thought. If you believe that a crystal is going to help you maintain, or not maintain, or help you attract something, then definitely it's whatever you believe. If I don't believe that something's not going to work for me, like for example, the money in the wallet, if I believe that it's not going to work for me, then I won't use it. There's many tools, and many tools and things resonate for different people. That's why there are so many tools. Meditation, I'm going to do a video about meditation. Absolutely, meditation. Meditation is about you coming into alignment. It's about you stilling your thought, because most of our thoughts are projecting outward. Most of our thoughts are negatively based. So coming into alignment and doing some meditation absolutely supports your manifestation. It absolutely supports your well-being and your coming into alignment with what you desire. I highly recommend meditation. That's one of my daily practices. I've done another video about daily routines, is setting yourself up for good habits, and meditation for me is one of them. Because if we don't spend time for stillness, if we don't create time for stillness, you will be trapped in your busyness. When you're trapped in your busyness, then you're not in a manifestation mode, you're in resistance mode. Because when you step into the meditative state, you're coming back to your natural state. Your natural state is consciousness. Your natural state is well-being. Your natural state is abundance. So I hope that's helped everybody. So if you've got any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer those. Remember, I'm doing a video challenge. I'm going to be on here every day for 30 days. Okay, deep breath in. I can do this. So I'm here to serve you guys. I'm here to help you. Please let me know how I can help you. So if you want to, I have an abundance video out there about money mindset, 7 steps to manifesting money now. If you want to have a look at that, you go to journeytomanifesting.com. If you want to join my Facebook group, that is Journey to Manifesting official Facebook group. So come and join us there. And I shall see you again tomorrow. I hope that's helped you with falling into alignment, with learning about how to be abundant, visualization, manifestation, because we are here to live the life of our dreams. We are here to find our worthiness, our self-worth, self-love, and I teach people how to do that. So my program is called Manifest Intensive. You can go to, I'll post a link down below from the Manifest Intensive in the chat, so you can have a look at that. And so I will talk to you all again soon. Bye for now. How do I turn this off? I don't even know how to turn this one off. Ooh. Okay, guys. Bye for now.